new concept in maths, and today's topic is long and short. Long and short. Are you ready? Okay. Tell me, children. Who is this? Yes, this is a boy. This is a boy. And see the hairs of the boy? Yes, they are short. Boys have short hair. Boys have short hair. And who is this, children? Yes, this is a girl. This is a girl. And see the hairs of the girl. Yes, they are long. They are long. Girls have long hair. Girls have long hairs. And boys have short hair. Boys have short hair. Understood? Okay, we'll see some more examples. What are these? Yes, these are snakes. These are snakes. And this snake is long. This snake is long. And this snake is short. This snake is short. Long, short. Okay. What is this, children? Yes, these are fishes. These are fishes. See, this blue fish is long. Blue fish is long. And this orange fish is short. Orange fish is short. Okay. Yes. What are these? These are the things you play with. Okay. See, this is hockey stick. Hockey stick is long. Hockey stick is long. And what is this? Yes, this is badminton. And badminton is short. Badminton is short. Okay. Yes. What are these, children? Yes, these are logs of wood. These are logs of wood. This log is short. This log is short. And this log is long. This log is long. Okay. Yes, these are the pieces of rope. And children, this is long rope. This is long rope. And this is short rope. This is short rope. Okay. Yes, these are water pipes. These are water pipes. This blue color pipe is long. Blue color pipe is long. And this green color pipe is short. This green color pipe is short. Okay. Yes. These are electric wires. These are electric wires. And this wire is long. This wire is long. And this wire is short. This wire is short. Okay. Yes. What are these? Yes, these are carrot. And this carrot is long. This carrot is long. And this carrot is short. This carrot is short. Okay. Yes. These are feathers. These are feathers. This feather is short. This feather is short. And this feather is long. This feather is long. Okay. Oh, what are they? Yes, they are monkeys. And what is there in their hand? Yes, the climbers. And the climbers are through which they climb from one tree to other tree. Children, this monkey is having a long climber, and this monkey is having a short climber. Long, short. Understood, children? So children, now it's an activity time. Are you ready? Okay. In this activity, you all have to go around your house and find the things or the objects which are long and short. And we are going to play one game. Okay? So let's get started. See children, teacher has collected the things in one basket. In one basket, teacher has collected the long and short things. Keep the basket aside. We have two parts. One is long scale, and there is short scale. And we have one measuring scale also. On this we are going to put the things and measure them. See, what are these? Combs. What are these? Combs. Now we are going to put the combs like this. See children, this comb is long. This comb is long. And this comb is short. This comb is short. Long comb, short comb. Now we see the other object. Yes, these are brushes. Now we are going to put the brushes. Yes, like this. This is long brush. This is short brush. Long brush in a long side and short brush in a short side. Yes, sketch pens. What are these? Sketch pens. Now we are going to put the sketch pens like this. Long sketch pen, short sketch pen. Long sketch pen, short sketch pen. Yes, these are pencils. Now we are going to put the pencils like this. Short pencil, long pencil, short pencil and long pencil. Yes, toothpaste. What is this? Toothpaste. Long toothpaste, short toothpaste, long toothpaste and short toothpaste. Yes, spoons. What are these? Spoons. Okay children, we are going to put the spoons like this. Short spoon, long spoon. Short spoon, long spoon. Now we will see some more objects. Yes, leaves. What are they? Leaves. See children? Long leaf, short leaf, long leaf, short leaf. these are keys. Short key, short key, long key, long key, short key, long key. See children, these are ribbons. These are ribbons, and we are going to put the ribbons like this. Long ribbon, long ribbon, short ribbon, short ribbon, long ribbon and short ribbon. We have one more object. Yes, this is woolen thread. See children, long woolen thread, long woolen thread, short woolen thread, short woolen thread, long woolen thread and short woolen thread. These are the objects which are long and these are the objects which are short. So we have learned long and short. So you all have to do this activity. Okay children, enjoy the activity? Yes, you have to practice. So what we have learned today? Yes, we have learned the concept of long and short. Long and short. You all have to practice and do the activity. We will meet in another session. Till then, bye-bye.